Baths are a big draw for luxury homes in the main line. So many buyers are turned off by old fixtures and outdated looks in bathrooms. And I've had this happen so many times, but total upgrades is not always the answer. Hi, I'm Kimmy Rolph with Berkshire Hathaway, Fox & Roach, and I want to offer sellers looking to make quick updates to older baths rather than undergo renovations some of the top bath trends according to designers in 2021. Statement lighting is our first. Forget wall sconces. Statement chandeliers or lighting that pulls the eye up in 2021, and the bonus is if you like it, you can take it with you, and it still helps sell your home. The next is splashy subway tile. Subway tile is showing up everywhere, and we don't see it going anywhere in 2021. And stay on the safe side with neutral colors. Next are safari and nature-inspired baths. This is a risk for sellers, and do not invest in Portuguese leopard towels just yet, because if done poorly, this can really ruin a bathroom. But if done correctly, say with Audubon prints or florals, it is an incredibly timeless statement bath. In terms of finishes, marble and graphic wallpaper are having a moment. And lastly, if you're building a home, one of the biggest trends is bringing in the beautiful outdoors in with windows. Obviously, you need to be sure you're not overlooking neighbors, but all luxury homes now feature exterior views. I hope you enjoyed these trends, and check back in our YouTube channel for more design trends and mainline seller info. Depending on your budget, it may make sense to make upgrades, but always consult your realtor first for your home value. See the link below for a home valuation on the main line, and feel free to reach out. Kimmy Rolph sells the main line and local areas.